Scratch blocks in action. Tech Talk. In this chapter, we will learn about categories of block palette, setting the sprite position on the stage, programs in Scratch. Categories of block palette. The blocks in Scratch are divided into different categories based on their functions. Each category includes a number of blocks to do different jobs. Let's learn about them. Motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, my blocks. Motion blocks. Motion blocks are blue in color. They are used to control the movement and positioning of sprites on the stage. They help in turning the sprite, changing x and y coordinates of the sprite on the stage, making the sprite bounce if it hits the edge of the stage, etc. They are only used for sprites and not for backdrops. There are currently 18 motion blocks. Let us learn about them. Move 10 steps moves the sprite forward or backwards. Turn 15 degrees rotates the sprite clockwise. Turn 15 degrees rotates the sprite anticlockwise. Go to random position moves the sprite to the location of the mouse pointer or to a random position or another sprite. Go to X, Y moves the sprite to a specified X and Y position on the stage. Glide 1 second to random position moves the sprite steadily to a random position or to the location of the mouse pointer in the specified amount of seconds. Glide 1 second to X, Y moves the sprite steadily to a specified X and Y position over a specified amount of seconds. Point in direction makes the sprite point in a specific direction. 0 equals to up, 90 equals to right, 180 equals to down, minus 90 equals to left. Point towards mouse pointer makes the sprite point towards the mouse pointer. Change x by 10 adds the specified value to the current x position of the sprite. Set x to changes the sprite's x position to the specified value. Change y by adds the specified value to the current y position of the sprite. Set y to changes the sprite's y position to the specified value. If on edge, bounce turns the sprite in the opposite direction when it hits the edge of the stage. Set rotation style changes the rotation style of a sprite to left, right, don't rotate or all round. X position reports the current X position of the sprite on the stage. This block can be displayed as a stage monitor. Y position reports the current Y position of the sprite on the stage. This block can be displayed as a stage monitor. Direction reports the sprite's direction. 0 equals to up, 90 equals to right, 180 equals to down, minus 90 equals to left. This book can be displayed as a stage monitor. Looks blocks. Looks blocks are purple in color. They are used to control the visual appearance of a sprite or a backdrop. They are used to change costumes, display speech or thought bubbles, modify size, apply visual effects, etc. These can be used with both sprites and backdrops, although some can be applied only to sprites. There are currently 20 look blocks. Let us learn about them. Say hello for 2 seconds displays the sprite's speech bubble for a specified amount of seconds. Say hello displays the sprite's speech bubble with the specified text, which remains visible until another speech or thought bubble is activated or the stop button is clicked. Think, for 2 seconds displays the sprite's thought bubble for a specified amount of seconds. Think. Displays the sprite's thought bubble with the specified text, which remains visible until another speech or thought bubble is activated or the stop button is clicked. Switch costume to changes the sprite's appearance by switching to a specified costume. Next costume changes the current costume to the next costume in the costume list. If at the end of the costume list, jumps back to the first costume. Switch backdrop to changes the stage's appearance backdrop by switching to a specified backdrop. Next backdrop changes the current backdrop to the next backdrop in the backdrop list. If at the end of the backdrop list, jumps back to the first backdrop. Change size by changes the size of the sprite by the specified value. The default sprite size is 100. Values below 100 shrink the sprite, while values above 100 enlarge it. Set size to sets the size of the sprite to the specified value. Change color effect by changes the specified graphic effect on a sprite by a specified amount. There are 7 different effects to choose from: color, fish eye, whirl, pixelate, mosaic, brightness, ghost. Set color effect to sets the specified graphic effect on the sprite to the specified amount. Clear graphic effects resets all the 7 graphic effects assigned to a sprite. Show makes the sprite show if it is hidden. If it is already visible, nothing will change. Hide makes the sprite hide if it is currently visible. If it is already hidden, nothing happens. Go to front layer moves the sprite to the frontmost or backmost layer, placing it either in front of or behind all other sprites on the stage. Go forward 1 layers moves the sprite forward or backward by a specified number of layers. Costume number reports the costume number or the costume's name. This block can be displayed as a stage monitor. Backdrop number reports the backdrop number or the backdrop's name. This block can be displayed as a stage monitor. Size reports the sprite size and can be shown as a stage monitor. Sound blocks are magenta in color. They are used to control the sound functions in a project. They are used for both sprites and backdrops. There are currently 9 sound blocks. Let us learn about them. Play sound until done. Plays the specified sound and pauses the script until the sound finishes playing. Start sound plays the specified sound and continues running the script without any pause. Stop all sounds stops all sounds currently playing on all sprites and the stage. Change pitch effect by changes the selected sound effect by a specified amount. The drop-down menu offers 2 options: pan left or right and pitch. Set pitch effect to sets the selected sound effect to the specified amount. Clear sound effects clears all sound effects currently in place. Change volume by changes the volume of a sprite by the specified amount. Set volume to sets the sprite's volume to the specified amount. Volume reports the sprite's or backdrop's volume. This block can be displayed as a stage monitor. Event blocks are light yellow in color. They are used to control events and trigger the script to run. They are important for every project. If they are not used, running multiple scripts at a single time is difficult. There are currently 8 events blocks. Let us learn about them. When clicked, runs the script given below it when the green flag is clicked. When key pressed, runs the script given below it when the specified key is pressed. When this sprite clicked, runs the script given below it when the sprite is clicked. When backdrop switches to, runs the script given below it when the stage switches to the specified backdrop. When loudness is greater than, runs the script given below it when the selected value, loudness or timer from the drop-down menu is greater than the specified value. When I receive message, runs the script given below it when the specified broadcast has been sent. Broadcast message sends a broadcast message throughout the whole project. Broadcast message and wait sends a broadcast throughout the whole project and waits until all scripts triggered by it have finished running. Control blocks. Control blocks are gold in color. They are used to control the loops and conditions of the script. They can make our code much more efficient and effective when combined with the variables and operators blocks. They are used for both sprites and backdrops. There are currently 11 control blocks. Let us learn about some of them. Wait 1 seconds. Pauses the script for the specified amount of seconds. Repeat repeats the set of blocks inside it for the specified number of time before the script continues. Forever repeatedly runs the blocks inside it in an endless loop. As this loop never stops, the block has no bottom bump, since any blocks placed below it will not run. Stop all. Depending on the selected option from the drop-down menu, it stops either all, this script, or other scripts in sprite. Setting the sprite position on the stage. The stage of the scratch is divided into X and Y grids. The X value determines the horizontal location of the sprite and ranges from 272 to -272, whereas Y value determines the vertical location or height of the stage and range from 215 to -214. The middle of the stage has X and Y coordinates as 0, 0. We can find out the X and Y positions of the sprite on the stage by moving it on the stage and observe the change in the coordinates displayed in the scripts pane below the stage, changing the sprite's position on the stage. The steps to change the sprite's position on the stage are as follows. Step 1. Drag the Change X by 10 block in the scripts area and change the value from 10 to 150. Step 2. Drag the Change Y by 10 block in the scripts area and change the value from 10 to 100. Step 3. Click on any of the blocks. The sprite will change the position according to the given values. Or, Step 1. Drag the block, go to X minus 172, Y minus 10 in the scripts area and X coordinate from -172 to 100 and Y coordinate from -10 to 50. Step 2. Click on the block. The sprite will change the position according to the given values. Programs in Scratch. Arrange the blocks to create the following scripts for the given sprite and then run the script.